What's up, guys? It's your girl Richan, and today I'm not furniture shopping, I'm food shopping at IKEA. Yeah, apparently IKEA doesn't just sell couches and candles, they actually serve breakfast. So, of course, your girl had to check it out. Life starts in the kitchen, and I'm here for it all. Let's go see what's cooking. Okay. First of all, you don't just walk up and order food here. Oh no, you have to grab a whole cart for your trays. Like, am I pushing groceries or getting scrambled eggs right now? And I won't lie, I felt like I was in aisle 5 looking for the breakfast section. Then you roll your cart into this line, and it's literally like shopping for your meal. You slide down the line, a little bit of eggs here, some hash browns there. It's giving cafeteria vibes meets IKEA showroom. I half expected someone to say, "Would you like to add a lamb to your breakfast?" So I went with the basics: hash browns, eggs, sausage, and pancakes. It looked promising, like a solid breakfast setup. Now here's the part that killed me. You actually have to cash out your food like it's a new dining table. Oh hi, yes, I'd like to pay for these pancakes, not a sofa. And yes, you do receive your tea bag at the cashier. Once you're finished cashing, you can head over and grab a fork, your napkin, your salt, your pepper. You then get your ketchup, and from your ketchup you go ahead and you'll get your hot water. And from your hot water to milk. Then after all that, you finally get to sit down, find a nice cozy spot, and dig in. Let's talk about the taste. Okay, IKEA, I see what you tried to do. But if I should be honest with you, I would give you a 3 out of 10. And let's be honest, what's breakfast without dessert? And this is definitely a solid 5. Overall though, it was a whole experience. You don't just eat at IKEA. You shop for your breakfast. You pay for your breakfast. You build memories. Literally, would I come back? Maybe for the vibes, not for the flavor.